We are the Garden, and we are testing and introducing our automatic robotic camera crew. Will it work? Join me and let's test it. Warm welcome. This is Romulo's Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to growing, cooking, and sharing. But today is a special day. We are including you in testing our newest gadget. I hope you enjoy it. Hello. Perhaps you've never seen an unboxing happen at a garden. But this is a gardening and cooking channel, and we have a new gadget to illustrate. And we have to say goodbye to our cameraman now because we have a robot, a camera, or a stand. It's a stand or it's a mount that follows the presenter wherever he goes, and that's what we're testing today. This is a device. It's from Telesin. It's a Chinese merchandise. It's a Chinese product, and let's see if it works. This is how it looks. How small it is. It's basically a robot, a gimbal with artificial intelligence that follows the presenter wherever he goes. Panning. Not that direction, but panning. So let's test it with my camera. Let's mount it first here. Because let's face it, the videos that or fixed frame videos are just boring. The video should follow the presenter. That's what we want, and that's what we're testing today. Okay, I think this is the better placement, and we mount the camera like this. It's difficult to turn. It's not how it reaches. They should have. It's the knob is just smooth, difficult to hold. Wait. How should I do this? Oh, where did this come from? I think I should turn the camera. While editing this, I realized I should have attached the gimbal or the robot first to the camera and then on the mount or on the tripod. Now it's tangled. And turn and tighten. Okay, I think this is operating now. Yeah. Let's test it. Okay. Let's okay. Turn the power on. Really, filming alone can be difficult. That's why we need an assistant, a robot, like this. Hey, film. Testing. Now, this is the camera or the view without the robot. Now let's turn on the robot. Look, this is boring. It does not follow me. Let's turn the robot on. On? Come on. Yeah. Hey, it's on. Okay, now it's following. Look. This is what happens when I present. Look, it follows me. Okay, and I'll be touring you to the garden. Wait, here, follow me. At this distance, around 3 meters, it still can follow me. And this is our cameraman. Look, it even rotates 360 degrees. Hi, but it's confused now because it sees two faces. It works with only one person. See, it turns. Hey, follow me. I'm here. Hey, I'm here. Is that to see me now? Okay. See? At this distance, it cannot see me. I think it's due to the light. Ah. Outdoors, I think it's just limited to how many meters? Okay. Fix. I'm here. Follow me, I'm here. The movement can be jagged, but at least it follows me. So that was our unboxing and testing of this device. What is it called? Telesin, and you might not believe I bought it for just 60 euros in this part of the world. 60 euros. It also has a remote control, but I'm more interested in its ability to follow my face, like how it's doing now. At this distance, it works well. But here, thank you for joining me here. Oh yeah, I should talk to him. Thank you for joining us here today at the garden. This is Romulo's kitchen and garden. It's where we grow. Or it's where we grow, cook and share. This is special. We're unboxing our special gadget. Thank you. And thank you to our cameraman who's been always helpful in making videos like this. And now, oh, it turned off. It's good. Good done. Now I'm confused. It just turned off, but it still works. It follows me. Again, thank you. If it didn't catch that scene, thank you. Join us again here at the garden as we do more films on growing, cooking, and sharing. Just like today, we're sharing what we're doing here at the garden. Till next time. I'd like to see you in the next videos.